Guys, Colin McClutter with the StockMarketBasics.com, and here we are with our daily intraday stock picks for December 17th, 2013. Starting off the longs, the first long on our list for today is CAM. This is in the oil sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now, we like CAM as a long for today for the following reasons. Earlier in the year, the stock had trouble breaching the $66 level and bounced off resistance in the area several times. The last time the bounce off of this level in October, it had two back-to-back gaps down and plummeted to new lows for the year. Since then, the stock hasn't had any follow through to the downside and has been trading sideways. And yesterday, the stock gapped up and climbed to close into the big red candle from the gap down. We'll see if this stock can maintain the move up today, and if it does go past $58 a share, we plan to go long on it with a price target of $59.25 as an intraday trade. Here's a daily chart of CAM. Next up, we've got CY, Cypress Semiconductor. This is in the semiconductor sector and trades on the NASDAQ. Now, we like Cypress as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock had a large gap down near the end of September and followed through to the downside. The move down lost momentum and the stock started to trade sideways. Towards the end of November, the stock moved up and has not shown any signs of selling pressure. And yesterday, the stock moved upwards towards recent highs and closed strongly. We'll see if this stock can have any follow through to the upside as the market opens today, and if it does go past $9.90 a share, we plan to go long on it with a daily price target of $10.20 on an intraday trade. Here's a daily chart of Cypress. Long number 3 on our list is one of our favorites, MGM, Resort International. This is in the gaming sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We've had this on our list multiple times since the stock we've been watching constantly over the last year. Now, the reasons why we want to go long on MGM as the market opens today are for the following reasons. The stock is in a powerful uptrend. After making a high in October, the stock pulled back and held above the previous level of support. The next leg up saw the stock reach a new 52-week high and an intraday reversal. After the stock consolidated for 2 sessions, and yesterday the stock gapped up and ran to a fresh 52-week high. We'll see if Taser can make another new high as the market opens today, and if it does shoot past 2180, we'll consider going long on it with a price target of $22.09 as an intraday trade. Here's a daily chart of MGM. The next long on our list is NLSN. This is in the media sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now, we like this company as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock has been moving up strongly since August. Some unusual volume came in this name in November as the stock powered higher. The volume dropped off again as the stock consolidated. 2 days ago, the stock blasted off like a rocket on strong volume, closing near the highs, and yesterday, the stock opened lower and climbed up to close at the exact same price as yesterday. We'll see if buyers are willing to push this stock up any further as the market opens today, and if it does bump past $46 a share, we plan to go long on it with a price target of $46.90 as an intraday trade. Here's a daily chart of NLSN. Long number 5 on our list for today is NVAX. This is in the biotech sector and trades on the NASDAQ. We've liked this company before and had it on our picks a few times. Now, for tomorrow, we like this company for the following reasons. The stock is still in a strong uptrend. After topping out early in December, the stock started to pull back. The pullback was on low volume and did not come back down to the previous trading range. And yesterday, the stock shot up on extremely heavy volume, closing at the highs and settling at a fresh 52-week high. Today's move will definitely catch the attention of a lot of traders for tomorrow, so we will see a reaction to this stock's big move up. If the stock does shoot past $4.70 a share, we will plan to go long on it with a price target of $4.98. This stock could have another huge day, so consider holding on for a larger gain with a portion of your shares if the stock does trigger into a trade setup. Here's a daily chart of NVAX. Next up, we've got Ruckus Wireless. This is in the telecom sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We like this company as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock sold off in October but stopped well short of the previous lows. Since then, the stock has been consolidating at the bottom. The last move down held higher than the previous bottom, indicating a change in trend. and yesterday the stock moved upwards towards the highs of the recent trading range and closed strongly. We'll see if Ruckus can break out today, and if it does shoot past $13.71 a share, we'll consider going long on it with a price target of $14.20 on an intraday trade. Here's the daily chart of Ruckus. Long number 7 on our list for today is SCCO, Southern Copper Corporation. This is in the mining sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. We like this copper company is a long for today for the following reasons. The stock has been moving lower over the past year. The stock bottomed out in August and attempted to rally before selling off again. The move down from late October to early December led to a 52-week low. The stock moved down, has lost momentum, and the stock appears to have caught some buying interest at this level. Yesterday the stock moved up on increased volume and closed strongly. We'll see if this stock can get some momentum going forward as the market opens today, and if it does bump past $26.30 a share, we'll consider going long on it with an intraday price target of $26.80. Here's a daily chart of SCCO. Next up we've got Value Click Inc., VCLK. This is in the media sector and trades on the NYSE. We like Value Click as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock has been moving lower since May of this year. In August the stock had another gap down, and in October the stock had yet another drop. In November the stock climbed back up to previous trading range and started to show signs that the trend was reversing to the upside. After making several equal highs, yesterday the stock had a strong move up and closed above the prior resistance level. We'll see if this stock can continue its way up as the market opens today, and if it does shoot past $22.50 a share, we plan to go long on it with a price target of $22.95 on an intraday trade. Here's a daily chart of Value Click.